Thank you. So good morning and good evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about the word maintain, which is a verb. And maintain has two meanings. It can mean to make something continue at the same level or standard, etc. So it's like something is at a certain level, we want it to continue at the same level, not to go down. It's usually it's something good, and you want it to continue to be good at the same level. So, so for example, over here, this is our sentence with, related to English class. Study your flashcards to maintain your knowledge of vocabulary. So that means today you see the word and you know something about it, but if you don't study it, so you have a level of knowledge of this vocabulary. If you don't study it at all, then you'll start to forget. It will go down. At the end of the quarter, you'll go, oh my gosh, I didn't study. I didn't maintain my knowledge. I lost some knowledge. You don't want that to happen. So study your flashcards to maintain your knowledge at the same level. Same level. Same level. It should not drop. It should not go down. That's what maintain means. And that meaning of maintain. Here's a sentence with that same meaning. We need to maintain high standards. This could be a teacher saying this. We need to maintain high standards and require all students to complete quality work. So keep high standards. So we don't say, well, we're going to let some students do less work than other students because we like them better. We don't do that, right? We shouldn't do that. Because if we do that, our standards is like what people have to do. If we let people do less work, our standards go down. So we don't want that to happen. We want it to be the same level. Same level. So it's something good. You wouldn't usually use it for something bad. It's usually something good. And you want to keep it at the same level. Second meaning, probably maybe a little more commonly used, I don't know, is for buildings or machines. To keep a building or machine in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly. So that's like for your car, you need to, what kind of things? You need to bring your car in for maintenance. So to avoid expensive problems, you need to maintain your car regularly. Maintain is the action. Maintenance is the noun. So for example, I know there was a woman in my town where I grew up who people were talking about it because she didn't change her oil for, I don't know, several years, and her whole engine burned, like was destroyed, and she needed a new engine in her car. So maintaining is like what you do regularly all the time. You check and you make sure things are okay. If you don't do that, it can cause bigger problems in the future. In Spanish, maintain is mantener. As I said, word family maintenance. Synonyms for definition one, to make something continue, we could say preserve or keep. But remember that it's keep, but not in the sense of keep a thing like, oh, I love this marker, I'm going to keep it. It doesn't mean that. It means keep at the same level. The idea of a level is part of the meaning of the word maintain. And then for this one, take care of, look after, fix, or repair. So look after, take care of a building, make sure that it doesn't break, things don't break in the building, things like that. Are there any questions about maintain? All right, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for filming.